In this video, we are going to look at the concept of metallic bonding for chemistry. And after going through this video, you understand the idea or concept behind metallic bonding for chemistry. So ensure you stay till the very end of this video. Alright, so we are looking at metallic bonding. Alright, now let's begin by knowing this. Metallic bonding involves delocalized electrons. Very, very important, guys. Metallic bonding involves delocalized electrons. Now let me show you with this diagram. Let me bring the diagram. Alright, now this is a diagram showing the localized electrons involved in metallic bonding. Okay, now note again that metals also consist of a giant structure, and the electrons in the outer shell of the metal atoms are delocalized. Very important. Now, this delocalization, what it means basically is that the electrons are free to move around. Alright, now there are strong forces of electrostatic attraction between the positive metal ions and the shared negative electrons. Okay, now these forces of attraction hold the atoms together in a regular structure and are known as metallic bonding. Alright, metallic bonding is a very strong bonding. Now, note again that is the localized electrons in the metallic bonds that produce the properties of metals. Alright, so if you check carefully in this diagram, this is these small circles colored pink are the localized electrons. As you can see, they are moving freely around, and the localized electrons are responsible for the properties of metals, which include the ability to conduct heat and electricity, the ability to be malleable, the ability to be ductile, and the rest of them. Okay, now metals are solid at room temperature. Very important. Now, having known this basic information about metallic bonding, okay, now let's look at the concept of alloy. Alright, now note that alloys are combination of two or more metals. So combination of two or more metals will give you what? An alloy. Now we have basic examples of alloys. We have steel. Alright, steel is an alloy made up of iron plus carbon. Alright, so steel is an alloy of iron and carbon. Another typical example is our brass. So brass is an alloy of copper and zinc. Copper plus zinc. Another typical example is our bronze. Alright, so bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. Alright, and the rest of them, we have other alloys. Okay, so basically an alloy is a combination of two or more metals. Alright, so take note of this. This is basic information you have to know about metallic bonding. Metallic bonding involves the localized electrons. Very, very important, guys. If there is nothing else you learned in this video, know that metallic bonding involves the localized electrons, and these localized electrons are responsible for the properties of metals, which include the ability to be hard in nature, to be malleable, to conduct heat and electricity, and the rest of them. And also the force of attraction that hold the atoms together in a regular structure is known as metallic bonding. Okay, and also the forces of attraction that hold the atoms together in a regular structure is known as what? Metallic bonding. Alright, so let's call it a class here. I hope there's something interesting from this video. Now, if you are new to the channel, ensure you check the description of the video below. You see link to our Telegram channel. Click on it and join the Telegram channel for instant notifications. Also, ensure that you are subscribed to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more videos like this. Like, share, and comment on this video. Tell me how you feel from what I learned from this class. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding this topic, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below, and I'll be sure to give you a response. Right then, click on the end screen below, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.